Today we're gonna do a life hack with a controller if you don't have the back, and I'm gonna show you how you can make it work. So let's get right to it. So all you need is your controller if you don't have the back. Something
Only
to put
for Xbox.
only for Xbox. Something you put in between like that, but not right now. So you get your you have two AA batteries that are fully charged. You put it in. If it's like that. So you have it like this. Yeah, so and then you want to take the aluminum foil or something, metal piece or something, put it like, this is hard to do one hand because I'm using my, and you want to push it like that until it touches, and get your piece of paper, shove it in the middle like that, should be tight, then,
We forgot to tell them to fold it.
oh, and you have to fold the paper in the middle, and ta-da, it's on. And if you don't believe me, you think it's just a hack, watch. I'm in. See player 2.
And it says split screen and we can start it. See?
And like, comment, just
Subscribe.
thank you for watching.